In the previous videos, we have seen to use line command and the lines that are perpendicular to the axis. Now in this video, I'm gonna discuss about the things where tools where we can draw freehand lines or a curvilinear or angular lines. So here we have multiple tools for this to draw freehand also, as well as having an arc in the model. So here we have freehand on this right side toolbar, we can see, as well as we have arcs, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, and a pie, as well as under the draw and under the line we have freehand, and here we have arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, and pie. And the shortcut for 2-point arc is A, and it's quite helpful for us to have arc because we require many a times using arc in our model, whether it is architectural background or interior design or any 3D modeler. They had to use arc in their model. So what we do, we just quickly jump on to the freehand and let's try. You can see once I select it, there is a freehand symbol comes under a pencil. It shows we are drawing freehand, and once I left click it and drag it by pressing it, we can see we have created something like this. You can see this particular thing is in a single plane, and we have different end points. You can see we can snap the particular points. These are called end points, and these are small line segments which is this particular shape is composed of. And once we will just join this, you can see there is a plane we have obtained here with the use of this freehand tool. And this is a very freehand sketch, we can say, we have created in our SketchUp model. If you want to push or pull it, you can see we have created something like this. It looks very smooth though, but we required very less while 3D modeling using this freehand tool. So let's delete it and try the next. The next tool is arc tool. We can find there under this tool also, and when I click arc, you can see there is a protector, and we have in a cursor there is an arc below this pencil symbol. And so it's very simple to create. First I have to select the axis. So when I click this axis, now the axis is activated. Now it asks me the radius. So consider it is calling us asking for radius of a circle of an arc. So if I want to a circle arc of a circle of a radius 16 feet, so you can see it has activated it arc. Now I have to create arc with a radius of 16 feet, and when I drag it, you can see it is showing me how the arc will be projecting from both sides. So I will just directly create one arc, and we have an arc here. And if we select it, you can see it's in a single line. It's very useful for us. Now let's try with proper dimensions. If I want an arc with a radius of a circle of 22 feet, and now I want an arc of 75, providing an angle of 75 degree. So I will write 75, you can see below right corner, and when I will enter, now this is an arc I have projecting 75 degree at the center of this center, and we have this arc. This is a proper arc we will need whenever we need in our modeling. So jumping on the next arc type, we have 2-point arc. And 2-point arc is basically we can select two multiple points, and we can drag our arc up and down, and we can have the outburst of that arc. I'll show you with an example. When I left click it here and here, and when I drag it, you can see I have this arc. I can move up and down. Also, I can move it perpendicular up and down in the multiple directions. So okay, I will just click it. So we have an semi arc of a circle. Okay, yeah. So this is quite helpful for us also. It's really simple. If I have two particular lines and I want to join this by arc, directly select it, and sorry, these two lines are not in a single plane, and I will have these two lines are in single plane. Now I will join by this 2-point arc. I will just click it. You can see the blue line depicts this is the perfect arc that can join it, and I will double click it, and I have this arc to join these two lines. So it's quite helpful for us here also. Please, I will request you to learn this and try this by yourself. Now the next is 3-point arc. 3-point arc help us to gives us three main points to create our arc. You can see first I click here, and second point I selected here. So I have the third point. You can see we can have this major sector. I can see. Okay, I will click I have to select the angle now. You can see below right side of the window. So I want 275. That's it. So I have 275 angle here. This is 275 angle projecting at this particular center, or I can join the center also. So I have completed. It's look like a Pac-Man. Okay. I can push or pull later, and you can see the outer surface is smooth here. So it's quite helpful for us. And the last one is pi. So let's select pi. It is not it doesn't help us to create a shape. It helps us to create a pie chart. You have seen pie chart, and it's particularly not a line. It's particularly a shape, and like if I created this like this, you can see earlier in the arc we obtained this only, but in the pie chart we get these two lines also. So it is quite helpful for us to create more pie charts that we required for some presentations, and if that we required in 3D formats, it helps us. So like this we can push or pull, so we can have proper graphical demonstration we can do in SketchUp also. So these tools helps us to create more details or more different shapes in SketchUp, and I think we almost know about this, and try this tool by yourself. You will find it really helpful for you.